Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to install Game Boy Advance and Nintendo DS games onto your 3DS. Let's get right in. So first, go to the Universal Updater, which should be on your modded 3DS, so mod it. Okay, I'm staring at the wrong. Mod it. Then you're going to find an app. To find it, just go here, type in NDS, and then find the NDS forwarder. It should look like a narwhal. And then download it. I already have it downloaded, but it should take some time. And you won't be able to exit the app until this is at 0. I think there is some action required, so stay put into that app until it finishes downloading. Then when it finishes downloading, you're going to go to the Homebrew launcher. Like show self in, and then you should have a new app here called NDS Forwarder Generator, which lets you play NDS files on your 3DS. Give me a second. So first you're going to, let's download ourselves Touchmaster. It's a game that my friend has, and I think it'd be fun. He's like, at least my DS can play games that your thing can't. Wait until he screams in pain and agony. Remove your SD card and put it into your computer's room while I'm saying. SD card. Now go to the Files app. I already have it opened here. Drag and drop you here. And then we have this here. My SD card isn't loaded in for some dang reason. I think it's in now. Yeah, it is. So you're going to download your NDS file, ROM hack, somewhere. And then you're just going to grab it and drag it over to your SD card. And then you're going to put it somewhere in here. Or you can make a ROMs folder, which is what I did, and then I added these in there. Or you can just straight up put it in. And this is an NDS game, so we'll put it in NDS. Now once it finishes, this Touchmaster should be here, available for me to download. As you can see, I also have Pokemon Dash and Pokemon Diamond on here too. Is that better? You could really add whatever NDS game you want. And there's also one for Game Boy Advance games, which why is Cats here? What? The only one I installed was Pokemon Mystery Dungeons, which I've played for a bit. You only need the GBA file, the .gba file, and then you put that in, and then all of these should pop up once you run the emulator. And then once you have your game in, you're going to want to eject your SD card by right-clicking on this thing, and click eject. Just basically not executing, launching them out. SD card. SD card. It's now out of my computer, and it goes back into the 3DS, like this. Then crack this bad boy open. Now that we have that in here, we're gonna find your folder that you made, which keeps mine organized. It is loading. Oh, it crashed. That's not supposed to happen. Probably because I just inserted my SD card back in. But for you that shouldn't happen. Unless yours is on and then you were in the app, then you removed it. NDS. As you can see, I have Touch Master, Pokemon Diamond, and Pokemon Dash. I've installed these two already. So I'm going to do Touch Master. And yes. Yes, I'm clicking yes. Oh wait, you have to use A. Then once it installs, you should be able to go to your home menu and see the new software. I wonder what just happened to my custom theme. Touch Master. As you can see here, I can just move this to one of my folders, which as you can see spells Minecraft. It's okay, I guess. And that's just for the NDS games. Here is for the GBA games. So if you have your GBA file installed, you don't need to take out your SD card, leave it there. You're gonna go back to Universal Updater, and once you load in, which should take like 5 seconds, you're going to download another app called GBA, which just has the Game Boy Advance logo here. It's pretty close to the start. It's a Game Boy Advance emulator, so go ahead and download the .cia file. The nightly ones you shouldn't go, those are basically just in progress. Here's the full thing. Just download that, then go back to your home menu, and then there should be new software if you haven't already downloaded it, but I have. So I'll just go to, and it's okay, because I have it there. And then this is what it should look like. It looks like a Game Boy Advance. Open it. Let it load patiently. It takes like 5 seconds. I have cats here for some reason. I have Pokemon Mystery Dungeon Red Rescue Team. Ooh, I didn't know you could do that. And then I click on it, or you can use the D-pad. Just let it take a second to load. And then I'll load from my current load, save state. Okay. Now, for the NDS one, your software will actually appear on the home menu. Because if you look here, if I go to Amazing Top Tier Games. Wait, what? Okay, wait, wrong folder then. Yeah, wrong's from NDS. We have Pokemon Diamond, which is on my home menu, and Pokemon Dash, which is also on my home menu. So, the forwarder thing... Okay. Yeah, the forwarder... What? Oh, right. So the forwarder thing that you use for the NDS files actually just puts them onto your home menu directly. It's not like load into Homebrew, then from Homebrew go here. It's better. What? For some reason mine is not loading properly. Oh, okay, I think it crashed. Oh Oh man, mine crashed. Uh-oh. That's not good. But it will download it to your home menu. That is all for today's video. Goodbye.